everybody, welcome back to Travel My Dog and Me. It is currently day 6 of our Walt Disney World vacation, and as you can see I'm here at Blizzard Beach. Not gonna lie, I have had a few complications this morning. I was going to vlog my whole day on my GoPro, but I haven't put an SD card in, so that went completely out the window. They do not sell SD cards here at Blizzard Beach either, so I'm gonna have to vlog my day on my phone with a waterproof case on, obviously. Now, the plan for today is to spend majority of the day at Blizzard Beach to get a quick service lunch, probably from Water Lodge, and then later on this evening we're going back to our resort for a quick change before heading out to the Edison, which is at Disney Springs. Now, a few things to know about Blizzard Beach before we get started. So there are so many attractions. There is Tykes Peak, which is a kids area, and there's so many like racing attractions. Now, Blizzard Beach is themed around a ski resort, and legend has it that it was once a ski resort that got abandoned, and as the snow started to melt, that's when all of these slides were created. So there is the purple slope, the green slope, and the red slope. I don't know which one that we are heading to first, but Annabelle does want to go on the racing slide. So let's go see. So first slide of the day is downhill double dipper. That ride was absolutely amazing. I loved it so much. We are now going on storm slides. I am so excited for this. Tower of Terror's over there. And we are going to have to queue for the rings once again. Fall through it again. No, let's not do that! We might get stuck under it. I'm freezing! Stop it! It's actually icy cold. And we've got chocolate sauce to go with it. Let's tuck it in. We're now going on Toboggan Racer. That one was epic and it was practically a walk on. Now we're going back up the purple slope, but this time we are going to go on not Toboggan Racers, the other one on the map. I have just been on Slush and Gusher, and I'm not gonna lie, that was awful. I got airtime, a lot actually. That second drop, I don't think I was on the slide at all. I banged back down into reality, and my bum cheeks are actually killing me. And at one point, I thought I was gonna drown. I really don't recommend that actually. Thank God I didn't do something for me. Annabelle on the other hand
loved it.
She got airtime and everything, but she loved it, and I'm like, also at the top of there I could look into the horizon, and I saw an awful lot of lightning strikes. Now the pool hasn't closed or anything yet, so I'm assuming it's still far enough away for it to be safe, but it really weren't helping my nerves. Now I think we're going to get out, as we have a dining reservation booked for the Edison for 7, but we're going to do a little bit of shopping at Disney Springs before that. But we need to go back to our resort, get freshened up and stuff, and then go to Disney Springs. tough bag. So we made it into World of Disney. I'm just looking at the wishables, but look at the huge selection of big feet, soft toys. Oh my gosh. I have. He's so cute though.
That's quite cute, that one in the middle.
I think Annabelle's coming for a Donald Duck. He is cute. Don't you like the look of this fella?
Yeah.
And he's with all the Bigfoot Pluto. Let's look at the other Bigfoots. So, have you chose him? Is he coming home with us? Okay. There's Miko and Marie, Grogu, Sven. Oh, he's so cute. There's also Baymax, Dumbo,
No.
I haven't seen Rocket anywhere though, and I've been looking for him.
What do you mean, look? Evie, it's him or Sleepy Pluto. You don't have to think about this.
Sleepy Pluto.
What?
Sleepy Pluto, but I love Rocket.
Bye, Rocket. He doesn't have that big feet, but he would love him. Evie.
Aww.
Evie. We're not allowed to bring him home.
Doug.
Look at
There's Remy, Hua, Boo, and Sully. Sven before.
I don't think I need.
No, she's not. I've never seen Sven before.
I'm not even asking Mummy about him. He's mine. We need to bring back the roofing.
He's so cute.
Brown, please return to Mickey Mouse.
We don't have a Goofy.
Sleepy Pluto.
I am going to have to get him at some point. All of the mini mix-its. There's Mickey and Pluto, Minnie and Donald and Daisy. And on this side there is Alice, the White Rabbit, Donald again, Thumper, Flower and Lady and the Crown. Massive ears collection. Let's see what we can find. The Loki ones, I haven't seen them around the parks. All the Groot ones as well. The Loki ones are so cool, and he is my favourite Marvel villain. In fact, one of my favourite Marvel characters too. Some Wonder ones, some Sally ones, some Jack Skellington ones. Some classics, but the new villains ones are popular. The Maleficent and the Cruella. There's also some Ursula ones right down here. And of course, all of your classics. All of the princess ones that you see around the Magic Kingdom, in particular. The Haunted Mansion ones, and also the pink unicorn ones. All of the new ones appear to be here. The Loungefly selection. It's not brilliant, if I'm honest, but the Toy Story section is phenomenal. I don't know if I need these ears. For my Alien Disney Bound, maybe? That is so cute. And I love all of the little purses too. All of the cuddly soft toys. I'm gonna go have a look at them in 1 minute after looking at the pins. I am on the hunt for a sleepy Pluto like these, but a Pluto. Now Annabelle said she's already looked and that she's not seen any, but I'm gonna get back in there. But I'm really hoping that she's missed him. I do love Sleepy Louis though. Like, could he come home with me? But the Pluto one. Bigfoot just struggling. Let's get you back in there, pal. Love you. Yep, Annabelle was right. There is every other corner side, there's Baloo from the balls. Oh, I love him too. No matter how old I get, I always find myself back in the kids section. I'm just a kid at heart. I really love that hoodie. Oh, and I love that top too. I've got one similar, but it's a bit warm.
Don't tell Grandad I want to show you.
Oh, okay. We can do that. So this evening we are eating at the Edison in Disney Springs.
Do you want to drink, Ellen? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What you're going to want to do is you're going to rip them open before you dip them, because otherwise you're just putting powdered sugar in the sauce and you're not getting any sauce in the donut.
Thank you.
Donald, what you doing?
I had to print it twice this way on the way down. I swear the first time.
After this. Donald.
I don't think it's changed since last time.
I'd still rather have the Lady and Tramp table though. But they're all so cute. 450 for that little castle. Tramp, do you need to come home with me? Oh. So cute. Shake, 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 shake your booty, booty. Shake, 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 shake. Right now, I just bought a little tramp trinket from the Disney art store. I'll just show you a picture here. But now we are actually in the co-op. I'm just having a meander around, looking at all of the Disney merch. I've actually been seriously considering buying one of these. Ooh! Look at the little railway! I've never seen that before. We are now in Disney pin traders and obviously there's a big pin selection and a pin board. So I made a purchase. I've been after this Walt Disney pin for a while, so I finally bought it. So we are now having one last stop at the Pandora shop before taking the bus back to Disney's Beach Club. So it's now just past 11 and we've made it back to Disney's Beach Club Resort. Now I'm going to end my vlog here, but I'd like to take this minute to say thank you very much for watching day 6 of my Walt Disney World vacation, and if you'd like to see day 7, come back next Sunday at 5 p.m. If you like this style of content, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming travel vlogs. See you next time on Travel My Dog and Me. Bye for now.